Hi there, Rob Nixon here, author of the Profit and Time book, An Accountant's Guide to Having It All. You know what's happening? We have decided to open up our 2-day planning workshop to the general public. We've never done it before. Normally it's closed shop for our boardroom members, but we've decided to give you the opportunity to plan your business the way we get our staff firms to plan theirs. It's going to happen over 2 days. 2 4-hour sessions online. A lot of prep work to do. You've got a big questionnaire to fill out, only limited to 16 firms, small group. And the idea is that you are going to complete a 1-page plan all about your future. We'll have an 8-year plan, 3-year plan, 1-year plan, and what we call a tertial, the next 4 months. This is going to be a workshop, hands-on, 2 of us working with you, myself and Wendy Miller, 16 firms only. We're going to nut out your vision, your mission, your big, hairy, audacious goal. We're going to help you set your bucket list. One of mine is to fill this wall of the top 100 golf courses in the world. We wonder what yours is as well. There's only 3 things you need to achieve your bucket list. You need money, you need time, you need your health. We're going to help you in this 2-day workshop to help you build your time and build your money. It's going to be exciting. Must qualify $1 million plus firms, no more than 5 partners. All partners online, plus business managers. It's a leadership thinking fest, but with outcomes. 1-page business plan filled in. You'll get that. You'll get an annual planner that you can use whenever you want to maximize profitability, to plan your future ahead. There's even a sales and marketing planner in there. Bunch of other tools like a strategy map, tools that will help you maximize your margins. It's going to be awesome, including business by design. You've never seen it before the way we do it. So, register. 16 only. You must qualify to register. And when you do, we'll work with you pre the event and post the event to make this happen. It's a live workshop. You'll get all the slides, get the recording, register today. It'll be awesome.